Hello everyone, I'm Jonai and I'm an aerospace engineering senior student at CU Boulder. Right now I'm involved with the ecology and the evolutionary biology program at CU Boulder. I'm at a Smith lab right now, so we're going to do some cool stuff. Today we're going to build innovating trebuchets. First, we're going to look at what's inside in this toolkit. We got the body of the trebuchet and couple of the papers, hard papers, and the screws and the paper clip and lines. Today we're going to build a trebuchet. A trebuchet is a type of the catapult. If you watched our last episode of the catapult building, you'll probably remember the basics of how it worked, where the potential energy stored when we pull back the rubber band got converted into the kinetic energy when we released it. In physics, this transfer is due to the law of the energy conservation. Here's with the trebuchet. The same principle applies, but the potential energy isn't from the rubber band, but from the gravity. On the screen, you see the formula relating to the mass of the object we use to load the trebuchet M1, the effect of the gravity due to its mass, and how this related to the mass of the object we want to shoot M2 and its speed. In this case, we load the trebuchet with the metal washers and we shoot bead. With the catapults, how far the beads can go depends on the mass of the metal washers, mass of the beads, and how far the metal washers moves. Let's give it a try. So this is our troubleshoot. You can try to build yours if you have time.